Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, June the 18th at Dollar General, and I have one scenario as low as 10 cents per item. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important that you scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that each digital coupon does attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And I'm going to go ahead and say that again because it is so important to scan, especially right now where we are seeing these price increases. Some stores may have already increased their prices. Some may still be at the lower price point. So scan before you go up to the register and make sure that you have all of the prices correct for your transactions. Alright guys, so for the first deal that we're going to get to, it is a gain scenario. So again, it is very important to scan. You want to make sure that the gain 5 off 30 DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product, because the gain DG store coupons, they don't always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. Alright, so for this gain scenario, you want to pick up one of the gain laundry products priced at $15.95. You can choose from the 60 count flings, the 150 4-ounce liquid laundry detergent, or the 22.7 ounce fireworks. Then you want to pick up one of the gain laundry products priced at $4.50. You can choose from the powdered laundry detergent, the flings, the fabric softener, the fireworks, or the sheets. Then you want to pick up two of the gain dish soaps at $4.70. Those are $2.35 each. One of the gain scented Febreze air fresheners at $3, and two Dollar Aisle gain products for $2. Those are $1 each. You can choose from the detergent, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the dish soap. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.15. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 gain laundry product, the 1 off 2 gain dish soap, and the 1 off 1 Febreze air freshener. Your subtotal after coupons will be $14.15 for all 7 items, making each one just $2.02 each. And I just want to take a quick second to remind you all, if you do a gain scenario or if you pick up any other P&G products this weekend, make sure that you scan your receipt into the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program, because you can earn points on those P&G products and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Alright, so for our next scenario, we have a paper product deal, and we're going to focus in on that instant savings for Scott brand products. So you're going to instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $15 on Scott products. So for this scenario, you want to pick up two of the Scott bath tissue 12 count for $10. Those are $5 each. And one of the Scott paper towels 6 count for $6. Then you want to pick up one of the Bic Us razors priced at $6, 3 of the Airwick warmers for $6, those are $2 each, and 3 American greeting cards for $1.50, those are 50 cents each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $29.50. That $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.50. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the 5 off 1 Bic razors, the 1.95 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 3 off 2 Airwick products, and the 1 off 3 American greeting cards. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $8.55 for 10 items, making each one just 85 cents each. And this deal gets a little bit better because in that scenario, we only used one manufacturer coupon on one of those Scott bath tissues. And on the coupons.com app right now, we have another 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon for the Scott bath tissue. So submit your receipt to the coupons app, get a $1 back. That's going to make your final price $7.55 for 10 items, making each one just 75 cents each. Alright, next up we have a little personal care deal, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on Colgate, Suavitel, and Irish Spring products. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $10 on those products. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Irish Spring body washes priced at $5, one of the Suavitel fabric softeners for $3.50, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste at $2.85, one of the Bic Us razors for $6, one of the Bic Soleil women's razors for $5, one of the CoverGirl eyeliner 2-count for $4.75, and one of the Rexall alcohol 16-ounce for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $28.10. That $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring, the 50 cents off 1 Suavitel, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 5 off 1 Bic Us razors, the 3 off 1 Bic disposable razors, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 25 cents off Rexall alcohol. That's going to bring your subtotal to $4.35 for all 7 items, making each one just 62 cents each. Alright guys, last but certainly not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the CoverGirl face powders for $6, one CoverGirl eyeliner 2-count for $4.75, one of the Bic Us razors for $6, 3 American greeting cards for $1.50, those are 50 cents each, 3 Airwick warmers for $6, those are $2 each, and 1 Rexall alcohol for $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $25.25. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl face product, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, the 5 off 1 Bic Us razors, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 3 off 2 Airwick products, the $1.95 off 1 Airwick warmer, and the 25 cents off Rexall alcohol. And that's going to bring your subtotal to $1.05 for all 10 items, making each one just 10 cents each. So, how awesome is that? Now, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app and earn points on the products that you purchased this weekend. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you are waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there. I have always highly recommended it, especially if you are a new couponer, because like I said, it's the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your accounts. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt once you're done shopping, and you're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And before you all go, I do want to say welcome to all of our new Craz-E couponers. If you are new here, please leave me a comment down below so that I can welcome you into our Craz-E couponing community here. And I also want to thank each and every single one of you guys for all of your love and support that you've shown me. I have been so excited all week for hitting 25,000 Craz-E couponers last Sunday. So thank you guys again so much. Now, I also want to say thank you all for hanging in there with me this week. Thank you all for understanding that I needed to take a break. I needed to take a step back away from YouTubing and couponing and just take care of my house and my kiddos and some doctor's appointments and things like that I needed to get caught up on. And it was good for me to step back and not be like searching for deals all of the time. So thank you all so much. And good news, I did do a huge stockpile clean out. Probably going to do a quick yard sale here soon and probably donating some of that as well. So I will have some footage to share with you all on that. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. But again, thank you all so much. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with your deals tomorrow. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our Craz-E couponing community here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend and I will see you on the next one.